You know, we love to show you new places to get a great meal, but this time we're going to be taking you to a fan favorite that has some new menu items you might want to try.
We got a preview of what's coming to Cedars Steakhouse and Oyster Bar at Foxwoods Resort Casino. I'm here with Eric Post behind the scenes. He is the chef at the Cedars restaurant, and you guys are, of course, a steakhouse, but you're now also an oyster bar, and you're making something really special?
Yes, we're going to be making our baked oysters today.
Okay, so show me the secret to making a good baked oyster.
We're going to be starting off with our Applewood Bacon and let that render a little bit. And we're going to be adding in some fresh leeks, oysters.
Oysters. Tell us about the special oysters you use.
Nice fresh chuck Mystic oysters. We'll be adding in our fresh spinach. We glaze the pan with some white wine.
Just really fresh, simple ingredients.
Very simple. For the cheese sauce.
Is that a little cream?
A little bit of heavy cream. Just to loosen it up.
This is brand new. People are seeing it here first.
Very first time.
Okay. Got the freshness of the sea and the richness of all that cheese and cream.
Oh yeah, and to make it even richer, add a little bit of whole butter.
I mean, why stop at cheese and cream?
You just got to keep it going.
So that's it. Now we're going to plate it?
That's it. And make sure we get all the goodness right there in the middle. And I'm going to slice off some nice grilled artesian bread.
That's to soak up all the beautiful sauce, right?
You have to get every drop of this dish.
That sauce is so good. So that's not all, though. We have our beautiful dish from the sea, but I hear you have quite the dish that comes from the land.
And quite a bit of it, too.
This is crazy.
It is
How
crazy.
big is this?
42 ounces of pure ribeye.
Plan to relax in the beautiful Cedars Steakhouse and Oyster Bar for a bit. When you order that 42-ounce tomahawk, it'll take 30 to 45 minutes to cook it, depending on how you like it. It's the biggest dinner I have ever seen. Does it come with a doggy bag?
2.
You'll want to save some room for the most popular dessert here. So to end your amazing meal, you have the fruit Fiesta.
It is definitely one of our best. You have some homemade white chocolate mousse that comes from our very own bake shop. It sits in a beautiful praline shell.
Oh my gosh. That is so fresh and good, and then you have to have the little praline part too.
Absolutely. That's what the fork is for, so you can get it all.
So good. All right, so come on down and find Chef Eric at Cedars. Delicious.
42-ounce steak.
I said to him, I go, could you just bring a family of 4 and split
it?
Will you slice it for us? All right. Again, Cedars Steakhouse and Oyster Bar at Foxwoods Resort Casino is open 7 days a week, and it's perfect for a casual night out with friends, a date night, or a special occasion for maybe that tomahawk.
Oh, a date night. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, to make reservations, go to foxwoods.com.